Baraka da Prince is well known in his neighborhood in Dar es Salaam. He's a Bongo Flava singer and songwriter. Everyone here knows his music and likes to sing along with him. Today Baraka is 22 years old. From his earliest childhood he dreamed of becoming a famous singer, but his father strongly opposed his musical ambitions. I remember one day I was performing somewhere at a festival and someone tipped off my dad. I was beaten a lot that day. But that didn't deter him. He moved to Dar es Salaam, about 1,000 kilometers away from his hometown Mwanza, and recorded this song, Siachani Nawe, meaning, I won't let go of you. When we released the song, we never thought that it could be this popular. We recorded it and made a video and left it out there. Fortunately, many Tanzanians liked the song and it became a big hit. The music video reached the top 10 and was broadcast on TV in Tanzania and across East Africa. But one song couldn't earn him a living. That's why artists like Baraka are over the moon when they're discovered by Joseph Kusaga. For almost 3 decades, he's been promoting young, talented musicians.
There are a lot of talents out there, but the money issue, as you said, is a challenge for them. Actually, getting studio time right now, I think per record is about 400,000, 300 or 400,000, which is not small money. It's big money.
300,000 Tanzanian shillings is about 150 euros. Joseph Kusaga is the manager of a popular radio station. By giving artists free airtime on his radio station and on television, Kusaga has made Bongo Flava East Africa's most popular style of music.
Before, it was very difficult for people to support Bongo music, because I remember most of the people thought that Bongo music was, rap was for hooligans. But now people are taking music as very serious.
Bongo Flava has now conquered the hearts of the population in Tanzania. My biggest dream is to make Tanzania known internationally through music. And Baraka da Prince is determined to do everything in his power to make that dream come true.